First, you need to roll out the puff pastry block. Make sure to take out the puff pastry from the fridge just before you start, so the pastry is nice and firm. Now, mark the pastry into thirds, with the sides overlapping the middle section. I use a sharp knife to gently score the lines to indicate where the base will be. Make sure you are just scoring and not cutting the pastry at this point. Next, focus on one side of the puff pastry and start cutting parallel diagonal lines. Leaving the middle third section as the base, do the same on the other side of the puff pastry. So now you will have a base where you can put all your filling and then two sides with diagonally cut lines. So now you can put any filling of your choice. I've chosen tomato paste, which I've spread equally all over the base, making sure to cover the edges as well. Next, I've put slices of salami cut into half, some grated mozzarella and cheddar cheese. I like to sprinkle some mixed Italian herbs on it because it gives it that pizza taste.
Now gently bring the sides one by one, alternating one at a time, and wrap the filling of the pastry. Brush the pastry with milk, or you can use egg yolk as well. Line a baking tray with some foil or baking parchment, and I put oil on the foil so that the puff pastry doesn't get stuck on it when it's baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. The puff pastries I've made took around 30 minutes, so it just depends on the size of your puff pastries. If they're bigger, then they take longer, and if they're smaller, they'd be quicker. So just keep an eye on them, but give it at least 20 minutes.